We'll guide you through how to use Copilot in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Make sure you have the latest version installed, as Copilot runs best with up-to-date software. Once you've opened VS Code, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot and press Enter. You should see the extension appear in the search results. Click on the Install button to add it to your VS Code setup. After installation, you need to sign in to your GitHub account to activate Copilot. You can do this by clicking the Sign In button that appears in the Copilot extension tab. A new browser window will open, prompting you to log into GitHub and authorize Copilot. Once that's done, switch back to VS Code. Now, open a file where you'd like to use Copilot. You can start typing a comment or a line of code, and Copilot will automatically suggest completions. These suggestions will appear in a faded text style directly in your editor. You can accept a suggestion by pressing the Tab key, or you can navigate through multiple suggestions using the arrow keys. If you want to see more options, you can press Ctrl+Enter to open a Copilot tab that shows alternative suggestions. Experiment with these features to see how Copilot can assist you with different coding tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.